has a brand new battery and brand new.
That's what your dad said. A new battery. So this is a Honda Civic and no crank, no start, and being dropped by a tow truck. Here it comes, Honda Civic 2008. All right, guys, this is 2008 Honda Civic. Was no crank, no start. It was dropped off a tow truck today. All right, as you can see, I get the key on. I'm gonna crank it. Nope, nope, no crank, no start. All right, so we're gonna be doing a diagnostic. So first off, we're gonna check the battery. Okay. All right, so the customer said that they did put in a new battery on this one. It looks fairly new. Okay. So we'll just go ahead and check it in a way. All right. We'll be using this battery tester right here. Battery test. Turn the headlights on for 10 seconds. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that is 10 seconds. We'll turn the headlights off. All right, then we'll continue to check the battery with this battery tester. Okay, CCA is, I think it says 500 cold cranking amps. All right, I got 500 cold cranking amps. Now we're gonna go testing. It says it's got a good battery. It's 100% healthy. So yes, it was a new battery right there. Okay, but it has 12.46 volts. So we're gonna recharge the battery to get up to 12.6 to 12.8, and then we'll crank it again and see if we can get a crank on this one. All right. All right, we'll charge the battery. All right, for a few minutes, then we'll come back and try cranking the engine again. Okay. All right, guys. We'll check the voltage on this battery. Okay. See if it's already charged. See if it's charged up. Then we'll start cranking the engine again. Okay, we got 13.22. All right, that should be enough to crank the engine. All right. All right, so we're gonna put the key on. All right. So we get the key on, and then let's crank it and see. Nope. Nope. There's still no crank, no start. All right. So I am putting the key on. right there, and we'll crank the engine. There you go. It's no crank, no start. Crank again. Nope, no crank, no start. All right. All right, now we'll check the starter relay on this one, and the starter relay is located right here, right there. All right, so the starter relay is located right here. Yeah, it is the one on the right is our starter relay. So we'll pull the relay and check before we move on to the next steps. Okay. All right, guys. We're gonna start pulling the starter relay. I'm just gonna use the long nose right here. All right. And there it is, our starter relay. Okay, so let's check the relay, see if it's good. Alright, so this is a 4-pin relay. Alright, so make sure we are set right here to 4-pin. Right there, and we'll put it right here. Okay, then now we have to press the test. Alright, sounds like the relay is good. We'll try again. One more time. Alright, the relay is good. Okay, so we'll put the relay back, and the next steps will be we'll check to see if there is power going into the starter. Okay. Alright, so this relay, it doesn't have a schematics right here that tells me which one is the 30 and which one is the which of this is the 30 and which one is the 87. Okay, I can't tell. But okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this probe test right here, power probe test, to check right there on the slots which one is my 30 and which one is my 87. So when I turn the key on this one right here, right on the middle slot right there, I should get a power, because that'll be the 30, the switch. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the key on, and you will hear a bips. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna turn the key on now and see if you hear a beep. Key on. There you go. There's a 12.6 from the ignition into the relay. Okay, and this other one, I shouldn't get anything when I turn it on, when I turn the key on. Okay, nothing. Okay, so that is my 87 right there. All right, so now I'm gonna put the back this one. I'm gonna put a wire in here so I can test to see if there is if the relay is good from the switch into the 87, which is the load going into the starter. Okay. All right, so this simple test is I will have a wire. Okay, this is the wire. Then I'm gonna put it on the over here, which is the 87 terminal, and this will be the load side terminal. Then I'm gonna plug this back in there. Okay. All right, I'll plug it back in on the same location. Yeah, right there. Okay. And then we'll put a probe test on the end over here and turn the key on. Okay. All right, so I got it on. There is the relay on the right, and there is my wire going down. All right, so I'm gonna put my test probe right here and turn the key on. Okay. All right, there you go. So I got my test probe. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn the key on. All right. There you go. So I got a 11.5. There you go. So I got 11.5 going into the starter right now. So we're gonna charge the battery. So there is power going to the starter. So we know that the problem is not a starter on this vehicle. Alright, so when I turn the key on, there you go, I got power. Alright. Alright, and we'll let the customer know that we need to install a new starter on this vehicle. Alrighty. And again, the location on of the starter on the Honda Civic is right here. Inside the cabin on the left. Pull the cover that's on the front here. Then I can get into the fuses. We have the fuel relay there, power relay, and then the starter relay on the right. Okay. All right. And thank you for watching my video.